Okay, this morning I am having my egg wrap. Really got to go and buy egg white. My avocado and hubby picked me some radish. Just love this radish. It's very delicious. So we'll have that with some radish. Okay, so just put my radish on. I'm going to cut up some avo. With my coffee from Mary. My coffee from Mary, my Mary mug. That seems so much closer, my gosh. Alright, I, for a second, don't know what I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. Mussy, I'll update you. Mussy had a shocking night last night. The poor little sod had the biggest tummy aches ever. And then at 4 AM, Mummy found out why. He filled a whole nappy again. So I've definitely worked out just no milk of any kind. Even, you know, if he has cereal or anything, no milk. It's really irritating, this viral infection he has. Anyway, Mum has him right now because it was all night. Like every 2 hours I just was up with him. So I was exhausted. Mum has him now because my mother-in-law was going to have him, but she's had an eye cataract operation. So we're going to take some flowers to her. And look, I can't show up there without Mussy. It's all well and good me bringing her flowers, but she'll be like, where's Mussy? So we'll get Mussy and we'll go there. And I need a little bit of a grocery shop as well. I want to get my egg whites. You know that I think if you watched one of my other Monday to Friday vlogs, I showed you just egg white carton, which is so helpful if you're just doing egg white omelets. I will show it to you again. And yeah, that is the update. I think hubby got me a salad for lunch, a Thai salad. He just called me and was like, I got you a salad for lunch. So we'll also go and get that and maybe a cappuccino. And that's kind of the update. I have galvanized and we've got stuff to do, so let's go. Watch out! Watch out! The table's there. Okay. How are you guys? Oh. How are you doing, darling? It's better now. Oh goodness! Better now. I've just galvanized and okay, do it. This way. This way. Hi guys. Oh, you're being clingy. No. Who's that? Oh goodness! The doorbell's ringing. Oh God, Quincy. Can we maybe turn this off? Like, seriously. Where? It kills me. I hate this shit. Hi guys.
Do you want a little bit of his fringe cut?
I'll do it in the bath, no? Okay. But put your sunglasses on. Put your sunglasses on. Alright, put them on. Let me see. Cool, dude. Mussy. Mussy, don't. Oh, how did you shake it off? Here. Yeah. Okay, a little bit. Yeah. Yum. Oh, did you shake it off, Willie? case you're going to ask, this is my interlocking GG sterling silver necklace that Mum got me. I will link it below. Okay, so I mentioned this in yesterday's vlog and I just wanted to give it a second to show you today because this bag has just blown me away. Honestly, it is so comfortable, you guys, and I'm sure there's so many of you out there that have Balenciaga. Shout out to Belinda Jess. I know she's always told me to add a Balenciaga, but this is so comfortable. It's a comfortable bag to wear. It's so comfortable to wear crossbody, and it holds every single thing you need and more. It holds more than the Palm Springs mini backpack. I know that for sure. And it's just such a great little runaround bag. Just fantastic. I do, however, really want to use, because I've only used it once, but use my beautiful Insulet wallet. Shout out to Susan that I got from my gorgeous Susan, my SUBBIE. She gifted me this beautiful Insulet wallet with the red interior, and I did want to use it. I just want to see if it'll fit in this bag, so let's do that together. So I just wanted to see, because I hadn't really experimented, but I will take out my my O case, my small O case. Also, I bought it off my SUBBIE Shanti. I think that is just such a gorgeous item. Okay, I will take some of these bits and bobs out so that we can see how much room is left. Obviously it's really hard to see, the sun is setting now. But here is the Insulet wallet. Let's see if it even fits inside this bag. Oh, yeah, it does with a squish. Like, you have to turn it on the side. Sorry, you have to turn it on the side and it takes up, you can see it there, it takes on like the whole interior, and then to get it out you have to like turn it on its side. So if you were willing to do that and obviously realise that you've got to downsize, I wouldn't need any cards, so my keys I wouldn't need my coin purse, but I would need this, and it's a bit thicker. So there we go. Actually, that's quite good, because the Insulet wallet would hold everything. Don't need your round coin purse, gone. It has so many coin spots. You don't need extra cards, gone. And if you wanted your spare lip gloss, which this one is my Chanel 722, which is the mauve colour, I could pop that down the side. And there we go. So that's the Insulet wallet in this bag. So there it is. Get you a good shot. Sorry about the sun. But that's cool to know. Loving this. I'm really happy I hung on to it. And it's just, I'm enjoying it so much. I'm not even noticing the noise. Some people were asking if I was noticing. I'm not even noticing at all. It's just very comfortable to use. So I might trade out to my Insulet wallet, Susan. Mussy is down for a little late afternoon sleep since he's been having this tummy bug. He's just been passing out in the afternoon, poor little thing. He needs to just get through it, get it out of his system, you know. This is the beautiful warm duck salad from the Thai restaurant that my husband got me. So I'm gonna just finish this. So that will end today's vlog, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.